Hey guys, I have a fun tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a diamond pattern with alternating half-hitch detailing between the diamonds. Let's get started. Cut 6 pieces of rope, each piece is 2.5 meters long. I cut my cords 2 meters long and they ended up being a bit short, so an extra half meter should do the trick. Tie a double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. Tie 5 more double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Use the middle left cord as your filler cord and tie 5 double half hitch knots moving down and to the left. Feel free to use any sort of design in the middle of your diamond. I decided to tie a square knot using 2 cords from each side. Create the bottom half of your diamond by using the leftmost and rightmost cords as your filler cords and tying 5 double half hitch knots on each side. Tie 1 more double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. Skip the 4 cords on the left and tie 4 alternating half hitch knots. Skip the 2 cords on the left and tie 6 alternating half hitch knots. Use the 2 remaining cords on the left and tie 10 alternating half hitch knots. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more diamond using the same method we did to create the first diamond. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.